knowing our countries. Next topic, international system of numeration. International system of numeration means, we know all of you Indian system like ones, tens, hundreds, next thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Next, read and write. In other countries, read and write many different situations. Different, that means ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, billions, like that. Today, suppose the number is 4, 5, 6, 9, 0, 2, 5, 5. Okay? In international system, Indian system of numeration, first of all, we read and already we know in Indian system. In Indian system, already you know ones, tens, hundreds, after comma, 1,000, 10,000, after comma, next lakh, 10 lakhs, after comma, crores. In international system of numeration, ones, tens, hundreds, commonly, next after comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. That means 3 digits. After comma, million, 10 millions. If we have another number after 3 digits, comma. So we read, first of all, Indian system of numeration, this number is, read, you know all of you, 4 crore, 4 is in crores place. So 4 crore, 56 lakhs, 90,255. Okay? So next, in international system, difference, ones, tens, hundreds, commonly ones, tens, hundreds. Next, here difference, 45 millions, 690,000. This place, thousands place. So this is a millions place. So 45 millions 690,255. Okay, this number is in international system. In international system of numeration, this number is 45,690,255. Okay. Okay. Okay, let us compare in the table to better understand in Indian system and international system. First, observe the table carefully. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore, 100 crore. This is Indian system. In international system, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 million, 100 million, billions. Okay? Once again, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, billions. Carefully observe, ones commonly tens, hundreds, and thousands, 10,000s places are commonly. This in Indian system, here lakhs. In international system is 100,000s. 10 lakhs in Indian system, in international system is millions. Next, crore is in Indian system, 10 millions in international 10 crore is in Indian system, 100 millions in international system. 100 crores in Indian system, billions in international system. Okay, now we difference Indian system and international system both we observe carefully and we write as follows. Lakhs, that means 10 lakhs. Take 10 lakhs equal to how many millions? 1 millions. How many millions? 1 millions. 10 lakh equal to 1 millions. 10 lakh equal to 1 million. 10 lakh equal to 1 million. Okay? Next one, crore. 1 crore equal to 10 millions. 10 millions. T means 10 millions. 10 millions. Next, 10 crore. 10 crore equal to 100 millions. 100 millions. Next, 100 crores. 100 crore equal to 1 billion. 1 billion. Okay? 10 lakhs equal to 10 lakh equal to 1 million. 1 crore equal to 10 million. 10 crore equal to 100 millions. Next, 100 crore equal to 1 billion. Okay? Observe the carefully. Learn this. Read the example. Read the number carefully and answer the following. First one example. This is international system. Why? Because commas, ones, tens, hundreds. Here comma put after 3 digits comma. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 millions. So 391 millions, 179 thousands, 568. This is number 9. Now first of all, the digits at millions place. Millions place the digit. Okay? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, millions. So millions is ones. Millions place 1 is in millions place. Right? 1. Okay na? Digit at millions place. Millions place on digit 1. Next, the digit at hundreds place. Hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds. So write 5. 5. Next, the digit in the 10 millions place. 10 millions place. So read the number 1, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So 10 millions is 9. 9 is in 10 millions place. So write 9. Okay? Next, how many millions are there in the number? Millions. Ones, tens, hundreds. This is next to 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. This is millions. So million, 10 million, 100 millions. 391 millions. So write 391. Okay, now understand? So next 1.4 exercise 1.4 your homework. Okay, now thank you all of you. Thank you for watching.